Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply browse Steam files on Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you just want to go into Steam and then just go to library and you will see the game here. So there are actually two ways how you can do it. The first way is really slow. When you go to File Explorer, you just find where is your Steam game. And now, let's just find it to here, Steam apps, come on, and you just find the game here. Or you can easily just right click, manage and browse local files. So this is two ways what you can do. It's pretty simple. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. So again, right click, manage and browse local files. Have a great day everybody, and goodbye.